Ah. Okay, back to the shop. I love this truck. Up we go. Look at this. Woo! Beauty, beauty log. Amazing. Now, can I get it in? Work, I owe you beer now. Thanks, Ken. That's too much work. Oh yeah, whoops. Here we go. Oh yeah, the assembly line. Into Carve. Let's go. Carving time. Carving time. Time to move. really fun, you know. You can really get a lot when you just add some color at the end. Makes it really pop. You. Everybody, big oversized eagle. Really fun carve. I just got some really good news right now. I can't tell you guys anything about it, but I'm so excited. I just hope it all works out, but this is crazy. I just can't even talk. Fucking awesome. I'm not gonna cry, but I'm close. I'm close. I'm not having another baby. Don't worry. It's not better.
You know.
Oh my gosh. So
You know.
the eagle is up and he's great. I'm stoked on him. He's gonna be up and mounted high, so that's why he's like very big and dramatic and has less detail. That was what my clients wanted. So hopefully you learned a couple tips in this video. My name's Ryan Cook. Thank you for just listening to that rant. And this is Uncle Kevin Carves. We're out of here. He helped me the last few weeks. Uncle has all the carvings here ready to go. I'm taking off. We got one more inside to finish, and I hope you guys, I love you guys. Later. Holy shit, I can't believe it.